Do you have those teachers always say raise your hand? Literally one time weigh my hand because my teacher say raise my hand and my teacher just said Ethan, do you know what's the question? I said just tell me to raise my hand, that's why I raise my hand. I'm like this little bitch is so dumb bro, I hate teachers. But good day is already in summer.